Hey everyone, when you think of Volvo, words like safety, innovation, and Scandinavian elegance immediately come to mind. But what if Volvo pushed the boundaries, creating an SUV that combined rugged capability with unrivaled luxury for the future? Today, we take an exclusive look at the 2026 Volvo XC90, a true evolution of their flagship SUV. Let's dive into the exterior, and let's get straight to it. This Arling Arlil. The overall silhouette remains the signature XC90, but with a more muscular and athletic stance. The lines are clean and sharp, reflecting Volvo's minimalist design philosophy. Note the large dark finish wheels. They further emphasize the vehicle's rugged character, demonstrating performance and capability across a wide range of terrain. Whether exploring the urban jungle or conquering snowy mountain trails, this SUV looks perfectly suited. Subtle chrome accents along the body sides add a touch of premium sophistication without being too flashy. And at the rear, the signature vertical taillights have been redesigned, with an intricate LED pattern, creating a striking visual signature. The 2026 XC90 concept truly embodies Volvo's forward-thinking approach. It's not just about luxury and design, it's about pushing the boundaries of safety, connectivity, and intuitive technology. Uncompromising safety without sacrificing style or comfort. This concept continues Volvo's legacy as a leader in premium and thoughtful automotive experiences. Now let's move inside, because this is where the XC90 truly delivers on its promise of luxury and cutting-edge technology for its passengers. The cabin immediately feels airy and spacious, a hallmark of Scandinavian design. The centerpiece of the dashboard is undoubtedly the large, vertically oriented infotainment screen. This screen is seamlessly integrated, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings, likely powered by a sophisticated Google-based operating system. The digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel is clean and customizable, providing the driver with all the necessary information at a glance. Even the gearshift lever looks like a work of art. This interior isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a calm, comfortable, and intelligent environment that makes every journey a pleasure. So, what do you think of this incredible vision for the 2026 Volvo XC90? Does it live up to its legendary name? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of cars of the present and the future. Thanks for watching.